host Cheese Night's a great opportunity to share with people that you've met all week long and to come out and have a good time and be social.
It's a great event, good time to network with others and socialize, and it's always good music, good food, it's a good time.
Came to tonight because Chuck Ramsey throws a good party, and we expected it would be just as good as it is. It's very well prepared, very well executed. It's a wonderful show.
I decided to come just because I thought it would be a fun event. I thought it would be interesting to hear the different music, to taste the foods of Philadelphia, and see the various people who would be here. After 2 days of workshop, just to have a night to unwind and have fun is a great thing to plan.